Number 1. What is Officer Buckle's job? Training dogs to help people, playing a police officer on a TV show, helping kids cross the street, giving safety speeches at schools. Number 2. A picture in this story shows that Officer Buckle learns not to stand on a swivel chair when he reads a safety book, talks to another officer, falls off a chair, watches himself on TV. Number 3. When Officer Buckle and Gloria work together, the students fall asleep, listen and learn, get upset, have many accidents. Number 4. How does Gloria help Officer Buckle? She wakes him up every morning. She shows him the way to new places. She brings his mail to him. She acts out his safety tips. Number 5. When Officer Buckle sees himself on TV, he feels surprised and upset, happy and proud, bored and sleepy, clever and funny. Number 6. Why does Officer Buckle decide to teach safety tips again? He cannot find another job. Mrs. Topple sends him a letter. He wants to do a better job than Gloria. He knows Gloria needs his help. Number 7. Read this sentence. Always stick with your buddy. Which word means about the same as buddy? Neighbor, problem, friend, student. Number 8. Read this sentence from the story. Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students at Knappville School. Which meaning of tips fits the way it is used in this sentence? Some coins, helpful ideas, pointed pieces, pushes over. Number 9. Read this sentence. Gloria was sitting at attention. In this sentence, the word attention means sitting up straight, feeling bored, making faces, getting worried. Number 10. What happened at Knappville School when Officer Buckle did not give his safety speech?